In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a video to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. Once you are in, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. Scroll to the exact area where you want to place it. In between the existing sections, click the Add Section button. This will open the section library, where you can browse different types of content you can add to your page. From the available categories, select Video. GoDaddy will show you several video section layouts. Choose the one that best fits the style of your page. Then click Add to insert that section into your website. Once the video section has been added, click on it to open its settings. In the video settings, paste the URL of the video you want to embed. Make sure the link comes from a supported video platform. After you paste the link, give the editor a moment to load the video preview. This helps confirm that the video was added correctly. Next, you can customize the content around the video if needed. Update the section title, description, or any other text fields that are available in that layout. This is useful if you want to introduce the video, explain what it is about, or keep the section consistent with the rest of your website. After that, review the placement of the video on the page. Make sure it appears in the right section and fits well with the surrounding content. If necessary, make small adjustments so the page looks clean and organized. Once everything looks right in the editor, click Preview to see how the video will appear on your live website. This gives you a chance to check the layout and confirm that the video displays properly before you publish any changes. If the preview looks good, click Publish to make the video live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to view the embedded video directly from that page. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.